So we at Chic-fil-a between 86th and 85th in 3rd Avenue, right, bud? Chic-fil-a. So we came here for our first time. We got an order of fries and the chicken nuggets. I got 30 of them. There's 30 in here. And then I got Logan a strawberry milkshake. With a cherry on top. Can I have that cherry? It's for Logan, right? So it's all mine's, Dad. Okay. It's yours, buddy. So this is what we got here. We got here. Look at this. 30 pieces of chicken nuggets. Huh? Can you try one? And then we got some sauces.
No, I'm going to eat 10, you eat 10, and Mom eats 10.
Wait, what? Say that again.
So you eat 10, I eat 10, and Mom eats 10.
Okay, so 10 for me, 10 for you, and 10 for Mom. But what about your brother? He can't eat this yet?
He can't eat this, but he could eat the inside.
Huh?
He could eat the inside.
Okay. So here, try one. Tell me how it tastes. It's hot. You dip it in the sauce. It's hot, right? It's hot? Alright, let's cool it down. Cool it down. Don't just break them.
It's good.
That sauce? What kind of sauce was that?
Barbecue.
Barbecue sauce? What else you got here? Huh?
We also got
Honey mustard? So what kind of sauce is that? It's good? It's good, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna try one. Well, I'm gonna try one, right? Is it still hot? Yes, it is. I'm gonna try this. Good. It's really good. It's real chicken. Good, eh? Logan is like eyeing that cherry.
I like the cherry.
I know. So I got...
The one that has the seed.
No, I got a bunch of sauces to go with this. So we're gonna eat some of these now.
Now you ate two.
Look at that. That looks really good, eh? They gave you a placemat, right? Yeah. So you get one of these to put on your table. But Logan already knows all this. Because he's 101 days smarter. That's how long he's been in school, for 101 days. And he's smart, huh? Now you got a chicken nugget there. Where are you gonna eat it? Where are you gonna put it at? What sauce? Alright, let me try it. Alright, this is sweet and sour.
That's good. That's good for you.
Sweet and sour. Not a big fan. But I like this honey mustard.
Sweet, sour, and spicy.
Yes. It's sweet, sour, and spicy. I don't know about that one.
This one?
That's the sauce right there. Alright, let me try this one. That's good. I had chicken nuggets at Wendy's yesterday. And
Yeah, one time I went in Wendy's.
look at this.
One time I went in Wendy's.
So good.
One time I went in Wendy's.
I know. But Wendy's chicken nuggets don't taste this good. Right? This tastes really good. I'll give this place a thumbs up.
I give it 2.
You give it 2 thumbs up? Alright. That's really good. Come in, there's a line, someone comes, orders you the food. So when you get there, all you have to do is pay for it. And when you pay for it, then that's it. Your order's ready to be picked up.
There's 22.
There's 30 in there. You counted all those right now? 22 in there? Wow. Logan just counted all the chicken nuggets that we have here.
That means we didn't eat.
We didn't eat a lot yet, so we can save some for Mom. So the whole thing is that here, they got like sofas. You sit down over there and eat, but I noticed like a lot of kids are in here. A lot of students come here. Like this is like the chick student spot. We'll come here again, right? Fixing your hat? Nope, the other way. It's because the phone is crooked. There you go, leave it. Just like that. Good. Now you look like a dog. You can eat it. Mmm. Cherries. Wow. There you go. Can I try it?
Good? Yeah.
Whew. Priceless. You like it?
Yeah. Dad,
Yes.
when I was a baby, when I was not with you, I drink coffee.
You didn't drink no coffee. Who gave you coffee?
Mom,
When? When?
when I was 2 years old.
They're 2 years old. Silly. We'll see you guys on our next food adventure. Stay tuned.